Hello, I'm at the Abdurrashid Delurang Library now, a branch of the Regional Library. Today, Brian's going to take you on a tour and set the library. Before we start the tour, we first have to scan the QR and protect so we can enter the library considering it is still a pandemic period. After the scan, we will start filling in the visitor list on the computer. By filling in the name, address, and destination to the library. After completing the visitor list, we move on to storage section. We are asked to keep our bag and user can only bring cell book and pen. After I will show the inauguration character for the library. So the library was inaugurated in 2021 by the Governor of South Sulawesi. Besides in this library, there is also a play area provided if the user will bring their children, so user can remain free to search for a collection in the library.
Welcome. First, we do a scan if using an handphone to connect to the digital collection. After that, the software is opened and then enter the area. Alright, in the digital reading collection section, there are several facilities, one of which is a special collection of books for children as well as collection of books for adults available Wi-Fi. Next, move on to using the master catalog and OPAC. Before we do a scan using a book. It looks like what you see. Then switch to the use of the master catalog. First open the application and then switch to search. You can see how to access the master catalog by using the collection of books in the digital reading Pocari. Then the use of OPAC. This is done by using the master catalog, otherwise we just need to switch to search and look for what book you are looking for. Now, let's move on to the book collection on the first floor. In this section, it can be seen that there are collections of children's reading books as well as general learning books, such as mathematics and science. There is also a special reading area for visitors. 3 other tables and chairs.
Okay, then let's go to the next shelf. On this shelf, the collection are history and literature books. So, on each on each book shelf, there is a clue as to what collection are on this shelf. We move to the next shelf. It's almost the same as the previous shelf. Well, this is the last shelf on this first floor. There is also a collection of newspaper and magazines here, but even though it may be an old publication. So, the last part on the first floor is a cupboard for new books, or the books isn't on this shelf because it's limited or new. Okay, then we go up to the second floor. Well, here is a special room for storing all books. Storing all books or books that don't have shelves, because this library is still in the weeding state. So the books on the shelves were not being neatly arranged. Well, if this one is skin or newspaper is put together and made into a book, it's just that arrangement isn't very neat. So all the books and collection in this room don't have shelves yet, so there is still books carved like that.
Well, on the software there are instructions for books numbers and instructions on how to make it easier to find books of visitors. Okay, then. There are several shelves on the second floor, and there is a group of Patrita on this shelf. Come here. Now there are also some collection of books on the shelves here. And yes, there is also a map of the province of South Sulawesi. The room here is very bright. To my right, the view is like this. The top third floor. The books here haven't been stored on the bookshelf because the library is waiting. Also, this floor can be used in various activities